Leaving the Vance Auto Parts. People just pull right out in front of you around here. Yes, they do that everywhere. There goes a motorhome up in front of me. Motorhome, see it, my friends? Coming up on it, right here, on the right. It says cruiseamerica.com. Right here. cruiseamerica.com. See it? Some dumb ambulance driver is right on my butt. If it gets on it again, I'm going to hit the brakes. It's not no emergency. They don't have no lights on. They don't need to be tailgating nobody. Would you agree or disagree? Getting off Interstate 81, getting on 26 West. Yes, I am. Dude's in the fast lane running about 60 mile per hour, 65 mile per hour in the fast lane. If you're going to be in the fast lane, you need to be speeding, because people will run you over. I'm running 74 in the slow lane. gonna get off right here. This is the rest area on Interstate 26 West, right here in Sullivan County, right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. I'm gonna show you what the rest area looks like, the Welcome Center. It's right here. People's resting before they get back on the interstate. Here it is. Cars, pickups, vans, SUVs, next left. Trucks, trailers, campers, buses, keep right. So I hang left, which is right here. That's a big old hanging left. And you keep going straight if you're in a big truck, a semi-truck, or camper, RV. But the left is for automotive vehicles, like regular sized trucks and cars. And what does this sign say right here? Welcome to the soundtrack of America, made in Tennessee. Hashtag made in Tennessee. Hey, come out and do my little walk around vlog while I'm here. Vlogging from the Tennessee Welcome Center. The Welcome Center exit. Right here in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. Let's leave the rest stop right here in Kingsport, Tennessee, off Interstate 26 West, and let's go home. Sonya's wanting to go to Walmart. I'm using my Activon CX action camera for a dash cam. How does it look? Looks pretty decent to me. You take a right here and go to 26 East to Johnson City, or go across this bridge, hang a left, and go Interstate 26 West to Kingsport. This is Kingsport right here where we're at, this rest stop. But downtown Kingsport's about another 4 miles. See right here, this sign, Kingsport to the left. Get off this exit right here to go to my house, or you get off this exit right here to go to downtown Kingsport. You see that car come by, it's doing about 90. He must not know that the state trooper, Tennessee state trooper's bad right in here. He got off his exit too. I'd rather be 10 minutes late than to pay a $200 ticket. And if you're going 20 or over, they can charge you with reckless driving in all 50 states. Reckless driving. That's 7 points on your license, automatic license suspended. 7 points or more, your license gets suspended. That's crazy, but run 20 or 25, 30 over. I do 5 over. Speed limit's 70 on Interstate, I do 75. 5 over is my rule of thumb. I think that guy went to Wendy's. He must be starving. Any day now. Here we go. Apartments where I live. Foxhaven. Foxhaven. You need cameras on your dash. See these kids right here? They're about taking their bikes, running right out in front of cars. Like they see you coming, they'll still take their bike to pull right out in front of you. Sure will. Alright, I'm home. Thanks for riding along. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for riding along. It's the Big O Show. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it.